people can feel things to which they cannot give a name. They're sensations coming straight to your heart. With your shoulders relaxed, a gentle chill caresses you. All your senses are heightened, and your vision becomes clearer. You're breathing deeply, and you're feeling much lighter, in harmony. There's a strong emotion that comes over you. It's running through your veins intensely. As your face relaxes, your mind is calm and clear. It's a sense of comfort that you've never been able to achieve. It has never been so beautiful. This happens because our systems take care of your comfort and health, while creating a pleasant climate in any room. RDZ. You feel, we care.